How to check all devices where your Gmail account is logged in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you concerned about your security and want to check where your Gmail account is logged in? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to see all the devices connected to your Google account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app. Once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Google. Once the Google Services page opens, simply tap on your profile icon. And this will take you to the main account management page where you can access all the features related to your Google account. Once you are here, simply swipe over to the Security tab. Under the Security tab, simply scroll down until you find the section called Your Devices. Now tap on Manage All Devices to view a complete list of devices where your Gmail account is currently logged in. And you will see all the details like the device name, location, and the last activity. This helps you to keep track of your Google account usage. If you spot a device that you don't recognize or no longer use it, simply tap on it and you can select Sign Out to remove your account from that device. Don't forget to change your Google account password if you suspect any unauthorized access. For extra security, consider enabling two-step verification from the same security tab. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Setting this up takes just a few minutes and can significantly enhance your account security. And that's it. Now you know how to check all the devices where your Gmail account is logged in using your phone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.